Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey. I don't know why I'm excited, but guess what? Hey. Anyways, welcome, guys, to another episode on Lillian's Couch. So today I'm going to be talking about social media, fake life. Social media actually puts a lot of pressure on people, but you all need to understand that social media is controlled content. So for instance, if I want you to think I have bought a house, I'll just snap the picture. Thank God for my new house. But you don't know if I'm paying mortgage. You don't know if I've not finished paying for the house, Abi? Okay. Now that brings me to my topic for the day. Do not allow social media rush you. Wanyo. Jide wanyo. Igbos will say jide wanyo. Go at your pace. Enjoy the process. Stop rushing. You saw this person buying car. Hey, I want to buy Benz. Hey, Linda Ikeji, oh God, I want to open my own online this one. My dear, there's time for everything. It's a process. You can't rush it. The people you're looking up to, all of them, Linda Ikeji, they started from somewhere. It wasn't one day. You are seeing the manifestation now. You did not see when, I'm sure she was trekking on the road, sweating, black. I'm sure you weren't there when all those were happening. But you see, like, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then you start putting yourself under pressure. You start, hey, how can I do it? No, it is wrong. Wait, what do you think they call it? The entertainment industry. It's showbiz. I show you what I want you to know. What I don't want you to know, I would not show you. I put what I want you to see. So if I want you to see that I'm balling, even if I'm not balling, you will think I'm balling. Because that's the idea. So when people see the one I don't like, baby goals, friendship goals, boo goals, couple goals, Oshe goals. Stop goaling, my darling. Before you goal, you must be sure that you know what you are goaling for. See, it is good to, appreciate people when you see nice things on social media. Oh, nice, I love it, love struck, or whatever it is you put out there. But guess what? Do not allow that pressure. See, let me tell you, if there's someone you are following, that when you see the person, you are thinking of your life, unfollow. How about that? Unfollow. So you stop being under pressure. If you cannot just see and admire and say, oh, I'm happy for you. God, I pray that you do my own for me at my own time. If you cannot do that, unfollow. Because guess what? Not everything you see. There are some people that are really getting it. Yes, there are some people that really, that lifestyle you're saying, they are living it. They are chilling. They probably are even living better than what you're saying. But there are some others, they're just showing you what they want you to see. So for instance, I keep telling people, if you see me on Keke tomorrow, I never told you I don't enter Keke. I never came to tell you that I'm the billionaire. Hey, yes, I'm just a struggling young girl trying to make a life for herself. See, I'm in the industry, right? I can categorically tell you. Sometimes I can have 0 naira in my account. Yes, maybe money I'm expecting they're meant to pay today, or I have to move money from this end. But guess what? I'm gonna be slaying. I will not say because I will not now wear fine clothes and slay. I don't understand. I'll slay. And you go there like, oh Lily. I did not tell you that I'm a billionaire or that I'm chilling. I just posted a nice picture. How about that? How about you just like it and put it love struck and get it moving? Have you thought about that? Try it. It works. Do not fake life. You see some people putting cars. Hey, Jesus. Do you know if they rented it? Do you know if their friend is not in town and says, okay, just be cruising this car before I get back? Calm down. For your level, Jide wanyo, take it easy. Stop being hard on yourself. Most of us, we want to live like the other person. No, it doesn't work like that. Not everything you see on social media is what it is. Okay, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that there are lots of fake things going on right now in our generation. Do not allow social media rush you. Make success rush you. Not be followers. Don't allow followers rush you. Success. If success rush you, every other thing will be added. People will know you for your work. People will know you for your craft. People will know you for what you're doing right. Stop following the trend. Hey, naked, hey, you be following it. No. Do you. What works for A does not work for B. What works for C does not work for D. So you have to know, first of all, what works for you. What kind of, for me now, I am trying to understand my followers. So I know what they like. Like, obviously, I'm not living for them. I mean, live your life for yourself. I know my followers, they like when I have interactions with them, right? So I like to, till Instagram block me, you see me commenting. And when they block you, wait for a few seconds again, you can reply. I try to reply as much as I can because I like to, it's not every day you get people appreciating you on the road. No, I don't get it every day like that. So whenever I see people appreciating me, I'm happy. I appreciate, oh, thank you so much. Oh, I love you too. Kisses, because I genuinely appreciate it, right? So guys, please take things easy. Don't go me following you. You just bought a house, you just bought a car, you just bought a Porsche, my brother. You go enter one chance. So if you see me for inside Porsche, I did not tell you I bought a Porsche now. Take it like that. Do you know if it's my babe that gave me? Yes, you know. Do you know if it's my babe? Anyway, I'm just kidding, guys. On the lighter note, do not live fake life, because when they say live your best life, they never say live your best fake life. Okay? I love you all. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Keep it moving. You know, go cut. I don't sweat cut now.